The Bolts begin a 3-game road trip. It starts down in South Florida against the rival Panthers. Cats coming off a thrilling OT winner last night and looking to get on a roll, while the Bolts hope to hold on to first place with a victory at the BB&T Center. Bob Boughner says we need to do something to spark that, and they've had only one 5-on-5 goal the last 2 games. Here comes Frank Vatrano shooting, score! Well, he fires that one in off Domingue, and it's a 1-0 Panther lead.
Victor Hedman stands up. He thinks he can get the puck, but he can't. And Steven Stamkos is backing him up, but it's only Dan Girardi really on the 2-on-1. First blood for Florida.
Now moving Vatrano back to the second line has been another move to try to spark 5-on-5. Here's Barkov shooting. Scores! Domingue thought he had it. He's frustrated. And Barkov was able to slip that in, and the Panthers scored twice in 11 seconds. Reimer and the rebound came right back to him, as Cirelli got in the middle of things there. He passed to Killorn. He scores! Alex Killorn fired it home on a one-timer, and the Lightning get one back.
Look at this beautiful pass by Sergachev. That makes Reimer come way out because Sergachev is so wide on the left wing side.
First period, that's a game-high ice time total. His pocket, though, picked by Jonathan Huberdeau. In alone on Domingue. Scores. And the Panthers back up by 2.
Huberdeau goes, nope, not this time. He was way ahead of it. Had his stick positioned perfectly, and he has got some fantastic hands. Slows it down, makes one deft move. Execution like that, impossible to stop.
Here's the drive by Hoffman. It's blocked there by McDonough. He's stung by that, and he's stuck out there with Girardi and Callahan. The shot by Dadonov, they score. They swept it to the open corner, and the Lightning couldn't do much about that. Dadonov makes it 4-1.
Yeah, that shot block by McDonough was outstanding, but it just absolutely killed his leg, so he's literally on one leg.
4-1 Panthers, but both these teams giving each other opportunities. Here's Joseph. He scores! Sergachev with a great pass. Joseph, a quick release. It's 4-2.
Florida can't get back with numbers. Kucherov throws it across to Joseph, who had just jumped on the ice, and a brilliant shot by Joseph.
Hedman makes sure it stays in. Stamkos fakes the shot. Back to Hedman. Kucherov wide. Fires. Scores! What a bullet!
Kucherov gets enough time and room, and when he feels this one come, he knows exactly where he is. He could have closed his eyes, knowing where the net is.
22 seconds remaining on the penalty. Kucherov a steal, and Cirelli's alone. Save from the driver. He got a piece of it, and it went wide. Anthony Cirelli just about tied it up. That's Weegar now with Killorn, or pardon me, Cirelli and Coburn on him. They back out of the point. Killorn sneaks one through. On goal, rebound. Reimer a stop, and Cirelli jabbed at it.
Reimer ends up doing the swim there in the crease and finds a way to keep it out.
Hoffman flips it to center, and the race is on. Hoffman's got it, cuts in, and it's deflected away by Domingue, I believe, and Domingue got a piece of it. Weegar retrieves a puck, even up. Puck hit, put it right on net. A save by Reimer. He's got it again. Reimer, another stop. They score! The Lightning on the 3rd try have come all the way back to tie it up at 4.
And it gets kicked. It's right. It does get kicked in. It's an own goal. An own goal for Florida.
His path cut off by Killorn. Matheson with it. And we get a whistle and a penalty to Vatrano on the pick on Cirelli.
Yep.
A 4-on-3 power play for the Lightning. Ekblad getting to it. Fired back to Ekblad. He'll shoot. Save by Domingue.
Wow.
Takes his time. Lightning very patient on that power play when they scored. Here's Kucherov. Beating it across. Point shoots. Scores! Braden Point has done it again. A power play goal finishes off the comeback from 4-1 down. The Lightning win it 5-4.
Look at that pass by Kucherov. That's just sick. Nikita Kucherov, he was hot. Power play goal, 2 assists. Braden Point, another game winner in overtime, 11 face-off wins. And Jonathan Huberdeau, the most effective guy offensively for Florida.